Mewass Ni Yau tuko yerwa ene NGABANA KAWIRA mwangaza atindete kamitini ya Senate guchokia biuria nkabo biegyo tumiri bwa kigina kendo angi mwanya ndene account ya MERU NGABANA KAWIRA na teriti nende na KUTHERIA MERU ningugenjo moni ontwariti ngwe nende ARIUGA KOTI na mwankira nende kwena mamba manana na yekomi into kingine nende kila kiombete kwedera kikiumaira ni kiukonie nende Mewass ati ni account ya MERU boni ati barabetrete bakironga maira akire bondi ya Mewass tiba kuma account ya MERU kiuria nende kitiwa Mewass Ni Yau wengwa mwanikitwa ndeto Boniface Mungera na utumurikira na njirendene
na gikaro ya kuthungura utumiri bwa mbeca cia kwa mwaka wa 2018 mwanka mweri wa 6 mwaka wa 2021 cia kambuni ya roji na siwe ya Mewass ikigitukire gatigati na kurema kwithira gikienderia nimekamite kwithira ikimenya kwina minga nkabo na nteto cia rungurungu citira kwithira cigitana mbere kwa miaka nkuruki 5
legislation
bwa mbere buru na bura butigale buligalitia kiama amwa gavana Mwangaza wengwa igwa kambuni ya Mewass tekero rungu rwa thirikari kaunti MERU
Timothy Kibaki, the founders Kamau, Charles Munene, Selasia Murira, Jeremiah Anondo, and Shahid Mohammed. These are the trustees. Clearly no representation from the county government.
Why we have the governor here to discuss an entity that does not belong to the county?
Tere kuma Mewass kwethira ikiandikithwa mwakene jwa 2021 kana 201 norori minister miunda kagitene ko bwana Jeremiah Nyaga na miaka 11 no ithirie devolution otono kana kwethira micokia na batere kwethira ire amwa sheria mwaka wa 2016 kugicokwe akiama bakamite ibonanire kwenombekyo bunene arume naka ibatiro kwethira beketha bunene kuma Antonia Jam.
The committee directs that the governor to ensure MERU water and sewerage services is registered in line with the Water Act 2016, in line with PFM Act and any other guiding law. The governor, in line with the law, dissolves the boards of directors of the corporation.
Bwana Patrick Mogendi orona meri no bisina le munene wa Mewass ni Nyimeza na mogerene bazine bwana Joseph Mberia oroture CEO kwa mwaka wa 2017 kana 2017 nyume kuganwe wa mamire mato na kura kulinganira Mewass ni Nyimeza amwa wazo kwende kithire chiringaniro.
The act came in force from the year 2014, but the corporation was cooperating in the year 2017. It started operating in the year 2017, whereby up to date we are on the progress of seeing that the corporation is in shape by having maybe the two companies dissolved and maybe having one company through the corporation.
It's a governor who is answering question of water companies, probably that she does not have direct access. You won't be surprised, and I don't know, I am not a mind reader, but probably she is also hearing for the first time some of the things that are being said here.
The CEO and also the chief officer, apart from the MDs, are all new to these offices. We are barely 4 months after a lot of fights and what have you, and we are here for guidance, and these are the type of mess that we are here to rectify and also to have guidance from you, and within the shortest time possible, we will sort out all the issues.
Kwa kagita wakagita nako akiama bakamite ibakonekana batingani nichokero bikodro bikyumira kuma kire mabitha baba Mewass ni Nyimeza ontubura bukonekana jakora kumenya kana kura kurekeria nteto.
We have a debt policy, but we have noted the anomaly. Then we are going to enrich the debt policy, which will take care of the receivables.
I don't know whether you're getting how serious this issue is. To say you're going to put up a plan, who prepared these financial statements? It is you.
The head of finance, she's the finance manager or the principal accountant. You know, governors, when you go back to MERU, you need to do a serious audit of your staff because there's a lot of incompetence that needs, you need to, otherwise you'll come here next year with the same problems. There are some aspects of incompetence.
We need to clean the house or we need to clean the county government. But now, as a constitutional house also, we need your support, because in the process of cleaning, up to now we have 810 cases in court.
Na mushumari jo muthejo iringirwa gavana Mwangaza na nenkero Merina kwethirwa kierekithania nteto na nande kumira ja gwitana mbere kibaro ikimugwirire nkingo sisi orojo na mantu asiwe ndene kaunti ya Meru. Na cia kilomita 230 kumaja mucine jo Nairobi gutarotero Meru, gavana Kaira Mwangaza na ugite kinyokinya akethirwa kwithirwa thuganiria ntaira nkurukia 230 ntairine nio ikuthamina kuthamukura Mewass na imetha ngiripotera Ntoshero TV kumaja karone bya bunge kengina ngine kinene kimushusha Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.